Hey families, Dr. Mommy again. I wanted to show you the updated version of the Class 4 materials, in part because I got help this time. The kids helped me design the 3D print for the lenses. Grace taught me pretty much everything I know about Tinkercad, so I'm pretty grateful. Anyway, I'm gonna glue the different shape lenses to the 3D print so that you'll have lots of stuff to play with. And I'll show you how easy it is to experiment with these lenses. So you can have like a cap one side. I'm going to loosen it a little bit so like the air will come out. But then you can connect your syringe to the other side and just fill it up. And oops, a little too much there. Anyway, and then, you know, just, I mean, this happens to be water, but it doesn't have to be. And then you can, I don't know if you can see the laser there. Yeah, you can do your testing. The other thing this is useful for is if you want to fill this with something other than clear liquid, like pond water, you can then use this to hold up to the light with your Leeuwenhoek microscope, and it just makes it a little easier. You know, I was really struggling, like, how do I take a look at liquid samples? Now, of course, you can use just like a sandwich bag, something clear that lets a lot of light through, but you can also use this, and I'll see if I can come up with something to like easily fit some, you know, some like a lighting system to this, but I will save that for another video. Anyway,